Hello again, thanks for watching. I've released an update to the Spline tools which I'd like to show you. Let's create a terrain first and pick a smooth height map and add a texture to it. And now let's dive straight into Spline creation. Let's pick Speedway for this showcase. We only need a small segment for this. Here's our spline. Let's enter edit mode, select a knot, and increase the Y position. What we don't need is to modify the terrain, but what we want is to allow roll so that we can twist the spline. The new tool category I added is called Deformers. Basically, you pick a start and end knot, and for instance the looping deformer. The span defines the percentage of the spline that the former is applied to. For instance, here 22.4% of the road will be deformed. Let's apply a looping for the showcase. There are several parameters per deformer. Like clicking this ring button, you can have the ring dimensions calculated and applied to the looping. Another deformer I've added is hills. Let's say we want 6 hills. And reduce the amplitude. Or we can create a spiral. When we apply the settings, it will look like this. Or let's take a more realistic example and create a roller coaster segment. Let's remove the road and add a roller coaster to our scene. Now we drag this segment into the scene and enter Spline edit mode again. Select the knots, press Ctrl A for this showcase, and here we can have, for instance, a wave, and apply it. Let's increase the amplitude, it's that easy. Or for instance, a jump ramp is also nice. We could have used it for the road as well. Would be fun to drive that. Let's apply the jump ring. Let's disable the terrain modifier again. And let's allow roll for later. You can increase the height or move the peak. Now let's create a twist which will look like this. Let's position this a bit higher so that it's better visible. Now increase the number of twists. Have fun with the deformers. The Spline Tools update is already live.